Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'll be teaching us how to add Behance projects or your work on Behance over to your website using an embed code. So without further ado, let's dive right in. So to actually do this is quite simple, and the first thing that you guys need to do is you want to make sure that you're logged into your Behance account as an administrator. So as you can see here, here's what my workspace looks like, and here's the dashboard. And the idea is you would want to go to your profile to get the embed code to import over to a different website. So let's say that you guys are using WordPress for your blog site and you would want to share your work. So be it a video or a documentary or a slideshow or whatever that you made on Behance over to WordPress. So the idea is you guys would want to go to your profile, and you can do so by clicking on the top right corner of the screen, which is your profile icon, to take you to your Behance profile. So it's this one right here. And the idea is if you guys have projects on your page, you basically want to select the project that you want to embed. And what's going to happen is, and by the way, these are the formats supported with embedding. So the idea is you guys would want to select the project and click on the ellipses or the three dots next to the project that you want to copy. And it looks a little something like this, as you can see. So for example, let's pretend that this slideshow right here is a project. So there should be an option for share, and you'll get two options, which is copying the raw link or embedding the project. So when you embed it, it's Behance is going to generate a code which you're going to copy and paste over your WordPress account, or rather your WordPress site. And when you guys do that, you should be done. So yeah, that's the video. So hopefully this video helped you guys out, and if it did, be sure to let us know down in the comment section below. And if you guys want to see more videos like these, we do have a YouTube channel where we do guides like these daily. So if you guys want to show your support that, you can do so by subscribing to the channel. So with all of that said, thank you all for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.